Designed to blend European style and flair with American comfort and ingenuity, MSC World America is a fusion of beloved cruise classics alongside a comprehensive slew of new features sure to wow even the most seasoned travelers. It all begins at the heart of the ship, the World Galleria, featuring an incredible LED sky and a collection of shops and exciting venues. Enjoy 24/7 comfort food at Luna Park Pizza and Burgers, or stop into Jean-Philippe Chocolat and Café for confectionery and gelato. This area also hosts Masters of the Sea, an English pub with a microbrewery, and The Loft, a space for comedy and live music. Plus, a surprise might just be calling you at the replica red phone box. You'll have to come on board to see for yourself. Indulge in your favorite cuisine here, with options like Hola Tacos and Cantina, Kaito Teppanyaki and Sushi Bar, and the very first Italy at sea. Enjoy the elegant ambience of the Fizz Champagne Bar or sample craft gins at the Gin Project. Nearby is the World Promenade, perhaps the most spectacular and picture-perfect space on the ship. Here, discover ideal places to unwind, like the Coffee Emporium, All-Star Sports Bar, and Paxos, a Greek restaurant. Or enjoy candy and desserts at Sweet Temptations. At the center of it all is the Jaw Drop, an 11-deck slide right from the top of the ship. In fact, World America hosts exciting activities for all ages, from exhilarating water slides and a ropes course to bumper cars, an arcade, and the unforgettable Cliffhanger swing. Enjoy spectacular performances at the World Theater, the amazing Panorama Lounge, or the multi-use Luna Park Arena. The ship is well equipped for families, with exclusive areas for kids and teens, including a partnership with Lego and a colorful splash pad. Just for adults, there's the spacious Zen area, with 2 pools set beside breathtaking aft-facing panoramas, as well as the blissful Aurea Spa. Here you can savor a serene ambiance, with extensive treatment rooms and unique experiences in the thermal area, including a snow room and a salt cave. Relaxation continues at the Botanic Garden Pool, a lush semi-enclosed area with a retractable roof, and at the expansive outdoor pool and sun deck area, complete with large cantilevered hot tubs. In fact, there are 7 pools and 13 hot tubs on board the ship. Extensive dining options abound, with 2 large buffets and 4 main dining rooms serving delicious meals from a variety of cuisines. The wide selection of staterooms and suites on board will ensure you find your ideal cabin. For maximum indulgence, choose an MSC Yacht Club suite, well appointed with elegant amenities and exclusive access to dedicated venues, including a private sun deck and pool area. A vacation on MSC World America offers so much to explore. Whether you're looking to have fun, savor life's finer pleasures, relax, or do it all, this may be the right ship for you. Contact your travel advisor today to begin planning your cruise.